Okay, we have next challenge, weather observation station 8. The question asks you to create a list of unique city names from the station table. The city names must start with these characters and also ending with these characters. We should start with select city from station. Here we should mention to the condition from the left, from city, character number 1 in, and then second condition, right, city, character number 1. Try to run it. Condition, select distinct city from a station where lower left, city 1 in. Oh, we need and here. Okay, I have a second solution for this challenge. I show you in the next video.